How to delete your Wizz account. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can delete your Wizz account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to delete your Wizz account, all you have to do is simply go in. First of all, make sure to launch the Wizz application that you can find here. Once you launch the Wizz app, you're going to see this type of interface where you have to tap the profile icon from the top left to come to the profile page. Then you want to make sure to just tap the gear icon that you can find from the top right hand side of the screen. Once you tap the gear icon that you can find from the very top right hand side, you're going to land on this page. We're going to scroll all the way to the bottom, and then here you'll find this option labeled as delete account. So all you need to do is just tap the delete account button here. It'll ask you for a confirmation. You can just go ahead and select it, tap on the yes option, and then your account will be successfully deleted. This way you can delete your Wizz account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.